I have a Samsung Galaxy Note 20 here. I'm going to show you how to do a factory reset for those of you that actually forgot your password, okay? So first thing that you have to do is you have to go ahead and turn off the phone, all right? So when I proceed to turn off, you want to go ahead and bring up the power off menu. If you hold down the volume down button and the power button, press and hold both buttons together, the power off menu here will pop up. So let's go ahead and turn off the phone. Now, if you go ahead and tap on power off, hey, it's asking me for a password or a pin or a swipe that I forgot. So how do you bypass this? Very simple, okay? Now listen up very closely. Now the first thing that we got to do is we have to force this phone to restart. And how do you do that? Basically what we have to do is press the power button or side button here and the volume down. We have to press and hold both buttons, wait about 10 seconds. As soon as 10 seconds is up, only let go of the volume down and then press and hold the volume up until we see the Samsung logo and then let go, and that should boot us up into the Android recovery where we can do the factory reset. So let's try this together. It may take me 2 or 3 tries to do this, okay? So let's just go ahead and let me try to turn it off first, okay? Show you again. Okay, I don't know my password, can't get in. So now let's do this, follow along with me, okay? So volume down, side button. Let's press and hold this for about 10 seconds, okay? Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Let go and then press and hold press and hold the volume up. Do not let go of the power button. So I did it for about 10 seconds. Not sure if I got it. Let's see what happens. I'm going to hold both buttons until a Samsung logo appears. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and let go. And let me see if I got it the first time. Wow, I got it. Okay, so from here, what you want to do is use the volume rockers and you just want to scroll down to where it says white data / factory reset. If you want to proceed, go ahead and click on the side button or power button here. You get another message here. It says basically beware that once you proceed with the factory reset, it cannot be undone. If you have anything important on here, hopefully you already backed it up. Because remember, when you do a factory reset, you're going to lose everything, all your personal information off the phone. Once the factory reset is complete, it's going to be as if you bought this phone brand new and took it out of the box and you had to begin everything with the setup. So if you want to proceed, you want to scroll down to where it says factory reset. And now from here, you want to go ahead and press this power button to select it. And it's going to go ahead and perform the factory reset. Once everything is booted back up, you'll be at the setup process where you have to choose your language, pick your Wi-Fi, your password, and so on, okay? So pretty simple. I'm not going to go ahead and do a factory reset. I'm just going to cancel that, reboot system now. So again, I'm not going to factory reset, but if you guys have any issues, comment below. Also, let me know if this worked for you. Give me a thumbs up and let me know how many times it took you to do it, okay? I got pretty lucky on mine. Usually it takes me like 2 or 3 times, but I got it on my first try. Anyways, good luck, guys.